Scientists chiseled open a meteorite, and strange liquid suddenly began flowing out. They immediately examined it under a microscope and discovered it was filled with single-celled organisms that were dividing at an extremely rapid rate. Within just seconds, the container holding the sample burst open. Jack immediately tested their DNA and found these organisms were composed of 10 chromosomes. Jack realized this could very likely be extraterrestrial life. He immediately called his friend Mark to the laboratory. When Mark observed through the microscope, the previously single-celled organisms had already evolved into multicellular ones. This discovery shocked them both, as this evolutionary process had taken humanity a full 500 million years. To uncover the truth, the two immediately led an expedition team into the meteorite cave. They discovered that the ground, which previously had nothing on it, was now covered with mushroom-like plants, and the surface was shrouded in a layer of white mist. Just then, a girl noticed something wriggling beneath her feet. Jack immediately dispersed the mist, only to discover in horror that the ground was crawling with insects. Everyone was terrified. However, Jack calmly picked up one of the insects with tweezers. As he examined it closely, the creature suddenly suffocated and died. Jack realized these organisms couldn't yet adapt to Earth's oxygen. He had no choice but to collect the insect along with the gas in a bottle and take it back. While they were studying what kind of creature this was, the insect in the bottle began rapidly dividing. Unexpectedly, this species could reproduce asexually. This discovery filled them both with uncontrollable excitement. It seemed the Nobel Prize was already beckoning to them. To thoroughly study this organism, they brought it back to the laboratory. Little did they know, an unprecedented disaster was rapidly approaching. A strange fish appeared in a swimming pool's water filtration system.
Whoa, what the?
But the staff member didn't take it seriously and walked straight out of the workroom. Meanwhile, Jack and his colleague prepared to investigate the meteorite cave again, but they found it had been taken over by the military. Despite being scientists, the military officers showed no hesitation in driving them away, but the two had no intention of giving up. That night, they snuck in quietly while the military wasn't paying attention. They then put on work uniforms and disguised themselves as staff members to enter the meteorite cave. In just one day, the environment inside had undergone earth-shattering changes once again. Not only were there all kinds of plants, but a complete biological chain had also evolved.